G'day, it's Jonathan here from Dawson Heating and Cooling. Today I want to show you how to install these clear evaporative cooler vent covers. But the first thing we need to do before ordering our new vent covers is measure the size of our vents. So why don't we jump up on the ladder now and I'll show you how it's done. So we need to grab our tape measure and safely get up on a ladder. We want to measure every single vent in the whole house. The reason being that some vents will be slightly different in size to others. So make sure you measure the outer side of the flange from each side. So this vent here measures 355 millimeters by 355 millimeters. So now that we've measured our vents, the easiest way to order is jump on and download the easy order form on the links below. So once your order arrives, you'll notice that the vent covers don't come pre-assembled. There's three components that we will get, the first being the vent cover itself. That's the vent cover there. You also have a cord with a hook on the end. And we have a spring lock. So they're the three components we need to assemble. You'll see on the vent cover, there's two little holes in the center. So you want to get the end of the cord, the opposite end to the hook, and push it through the vent cover. We then want to turn the vent cover upside down and install the spring clip. Okay, we turn it back up the correct way, and the vent cover has the hook at the top which can be clipped over the vent, and it's now ready to be installed. So now the vent cover is assembled, what we want to do is we want to jump up to the vent, grab hold of the hook, and we want to push the hook through the vent as close to the center of the vent as possible. We then grab the bottom of the cord and slide the vent cover all the way up. We can then push our spring clip all the way up, make sure it's nice and square and sealed off against the ceiling. We then want to grab the opposite end of the cord, and you'll find there's a second hole there. We'll just push that up just so that it hides the cord and we don't have a cord dangling down. Push that all the way up and it's done, ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to leave a comment below with any questions and share this video with anyone you think might find it useful. Have a great day.